Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I do my press-on nail size kits. And so if you're like me and you really like press-on nails, or you want to start your own press-on nail business, size kits are really important for your business, because when someone purchases from you, they need to be able to know what nail size they are. So a way of how I do my size kits, I like to make them like this and then send them to my customers, so that once they get them, they can then place each individual nail on their nail, and then they could figure out what size they are, instead of having to do it the other way, which is try and figure out their nail sizes with either a string. And it can be a hassle sometimes. Not many people want to have to really do all that. So I feel like these sizing kits are a lot more easier, and people like them better. I mean, I prefer them better. So yeah, that's what we're going to be getting into today. So I have all of my items here, and I'm going to show you guys what I use to pretty much make my kits. Alright you guys, so one of the items you guys are going to be needing is obviously your cards to be able to place the nails on. Now these are my cards that I custom made myself. All I did was put my logo on these, and you can find these cards pretty much anywhere. I bought these cards on Amazon. I think these are 5x7, and I like the glossy kind. I did have more matte finish before, but I find that when I had the matte, my logo, it was kind of dull. Here, I can just show you guys what I mean by that. Now this set is these style nails are actually coffin nails. The set that we're actually going to be using today is stiletto nails, but this is a sizing kit for coffin nails. But I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. Yeah, you see this one here is the matte finish I was telling you guys about, and you can definitely see the logo is very dull, and I didn't really like that. I wanted my logo to be true to the eye, so I went with the glossy paper. And honestly you guys, that was the best decision I could have made. Let me see if I can clear this video a little bit up. There we go, so you guys can really see what I mean. But I felt like it was a little blurry, but yeah, I went with a glossy finish, and I'm very happy that I decided to do that, because like I said, the logo looks so much true to the eye on the glossy finish. So if that's something that you're going to be doing, if you want to get these cards and you want to put your logo on there, I would advise you to get the glossy paper. And if you're wondering if you can print them out yourself and not have to go through with Vistaprint or any kind of printing service, you can definitely do that. If you have an average printer at home, girl, you best to use that to your advantage. Seriously, I mean, I know you're gonna have to pay a pretty penny for your ink, but let me tell you, I use my printer at home, and it just, like, you can see it did the damn thing, girl. Okay, so yes, you can definitely print your own cards at home. You do not need a printing service if that's something that you didn't want to do. Okay, so yeah, that's one item you're definitely going to need. All right, so the next items you guys are going to need is, of course, your nails. Now, like I said, these are stiletto nails. I purchased my nail sets, my nails from my friend, a good friend of mine who actually sells her own nails. So, I like to show my friends support and stuff like that. So I purchased my nails from her. You can find these nails on her website. Her website is actually called Iridescent Nails, and you can find them on there pretty cheap. I think I paid anywhere from 10 to 12 bucks. And yeah, you get this big container here, and you get each individual nail in there from 1 through 9. And yeah, I really love her nails. They are very good quality. So if you want to check out where to get them, all of the items that I'm going to be using in this video is going to be in my description box down below. Alright, you guys, so the next items you guys are going to be needing is some cellophane baggies. Now you can purchase these on Amazon. I found mine on Amazon. These are the 5x7 and they fit perfectly, as you can see. Have no issues there. So the next item you guys are also going to be needing is some double-sided sticky tape. Now I'm going to be real, it was not easy finding this. For some reason I struggled finding this on Amazon. I don't even know. I think I had to have my friend actually send me a link because I literally had a hard time finding it. So I'm definitely going to put the link in the description box so that if you guys want to purchase this, you can find it directly and you know, have no issues like I did. Oh my god, the struggle was so real, girls, seriously. Alright, so the next items you guys are going to need is a Cricut tool, and you will find out why I use this once we get into the video, a Sharpie pen, and obviously some scissors. Alright guys, so that is literally all of the items that I use for creating my size kits. So let's hop into this video. I'm really excited to be able to show you guys what I do. And disclaimer, so I'm well aware that everybody has their own way of doing things. I'm just on here coming to show you guys my own personal way of how I like to do things. You can do it however you're comfortable with. I'm just showing you what I like to do and what works for me. So these are what the cards are gonna look like, and I wanted to also say you can also use some spray. It's optional. I like to spray my cards so that when my customers get their cards and they open it, it smells lovely and they're like, oh my god, yes. Alright, so let's get into it. So what I'm doing is I'm applying my double-sided sticky tape to my card, and then I'm also taking each individual nail from 0 to 9 and I'm placing them directly onto the sticky tape. Now, I said that in the video, you will see why I needed to use the Cricut tool. The Cricut tool is something that you guys are definitely going to want to pick up because the top layer of the actual double-sided sticky tape is actually hard to get off. Now, I'm just going to take my Sharpie and I'm going to number each individual nail so that when the customer gets the card, they'll know exactly what nail, what number is each nail, so they're not having to squint, you know, to look to see what numbers each nail. I hate when I have to do that. Oh my god, it's so annoying. So that's why I like to put the numbers big, you know, write them big on the actual nail so people don't have to do that. I'm sure people are definitely going to want to appreciate that. So definitely I recommend doing that. People really will appreciate that. So I'm just going to be repeating the same process over and over again so you guys can see what it is I'm doing. And yeah, I hope that this video has been helpful so far and you're able to create your own nail sizing kits. Let's get into talking about the prices. Now, I price my nail sizing kits. Why did I say cards? I'm such an idiot sometimes. I price my nail sizing kits at $3.99. You do not have to price yours the same. That's just what I choose to price them at. I feel like it is important that you actually do price your size kits because let's be real, you had to buy the items to be able to create your size kit. You do not want to be sending off free sizing kits to people, okay? That's gonna dig into your profit margins. So please charge for your sizing kits. It's important, okay? So I think that about sums it all up. If you guys have any questions about some of the items that I used, or any questions about my nail sizing kits, or any kind of questions, period, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will gladly be sure to answer any of the questions you guys may have. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this kind of content and want to see more. I'm definitely going to be having more content like this come your way on my channel. I'm going to be doing a lot more tutorials with everything that I have in my shop as far as my cups that I like to make. I don't know if you guys know, but I custom make these cute little furry cups. They're brush holder cups, and we custom make a lot of things in our shop. And so I'm definitely going to be doing some more tutorials showing you guys how I do that, and you're definitely going to to be seeing some makeup tutorials for sure. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm definitely into doing some makeup and I'm pretty good at doing it. So I'm definitely going to be having some makeup tutorials on here and just some videos and stuff like that of our items that we have in our shop. So stick around. If you're not subscribed to this channel and this is your first time, thank you for sticking it out and watching the video this long. I really do appreciate your time, and yeah, definitely stick around and subscribe to your girl's channel, because she's definitely going to be having some cool ass content that you're going to be wanting to see. Also, I'm not sure if you guys know, but if you are looking for some thank you cards, definitely check out Etsy. I purchased my thank you card on Etsy. It's a template. Guys, just look at how badass my thank you cards are, okay? They look so good, and it's a template that you can just easily download and have Vistaprint print out for you. So these are them. Tell me they're not badass. Oh, I love them. So these are my cards that I'm going to be using for my customers when I ship my orders out, and then these are my nail sets. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stick around for more content.